Morning, Priya. Here's your tea. Where's your brother?
Still sawing logs, I bet. Sawing logs, meaning snoring loudly.
He came home past midnight. Again.
Morning? Or should I say afternoon?
Arun, you missed breakfast and your tuition class. Again.
No big deal. I'll wing it tomorrow. Wing it, meaning do something without preparation.
Your exam is in a week, and you haven't even touched your books.
Relax, sis. I work best under pressure.
You've said that before, and last time you bombed the test.
Bombed the test, meaning failed very badly. This time's different. I've got this.
You're skating on thin ice, bro.
Skating on thin ice, meaning taking a big risk. I flunked again. What did we tell you? You can't have your cake and eat it too. Have your cake and eat it too, meaning you can't enjoy two conflicting things at once.
Your laziness is catching up to you. Time to face the music.
Face the music, meaning accept the consequences of one's actions. All right, I messed up. Son, discipline isn't a punishment, it's a habit. You've been burning the candle at both ends. Burning the candle at both ends, meaning overworking yourself by doing too much.
And expecting things to magically work out. Life doesn't hand you everything on a silver platter.
On a silver platter, meaning given easily without effort.
Start small. Early to bed, early to rise. Baby steps.
Okay, no more shortcuts. It's time I pulled my socks up. Pull your socks up, meaning get ready to work harder. Bit by bit, Arun turned the corner. Turn the corner, meaning begin to improve after a difficult time.
Arun, your results are out.
Here goes nothing. I passed. I aced it. Aced it, meaning did extremely well. See what happens when you put your nose to the grindstone. Put your nose to the grindstone, meaning work hard and consistently.
Our lazy bones is now a go-getter.
Go-getter, meaning a determined and ambitious person. To discipline and second chances.
You proved that with the right mindset, you can move mountains.
Move mountains, meaning achieve something difficult or impossible. We're proud of you, son. You didn't just study hard, you grew up.
Discipline turned your life around. You didn't just talk the talk, you walked the walk.
Walk the walk, meaning take action to back up your words. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about progress, commitment, and showing up even when you don't feel like it. Because when you make discipline your best friend, success isn't far behind.